Hello friends, welcome back to another episode of Through the Lens. This vlog is on Lalbagh Nursery as evident from the thumbnail. The Nursery Men Cooperative Society is a one-stop shop for all your gardening needs. The variety of flower, fruits and ornamental plants here is amazing and at a reasonable price. For the convenience of buyers, plants in the nursery are organized in dedicated sections according to the nature of the plants, like indoor or outdoor plants, succulents and cactus, ferns, fruit plants and ornamental plants. Popular flower plants among the gardening enthusiasts here are rose, hibiscus, jasmine and gerbera. Among other fruit plants, one can find plants of mango, sapota, lemon, coconut, guava, etc. also here. The collection of hanging plants, bonsai, succulent and cactus plants, plants for vertical garden is awesome. One can purchase here pots, gardening soil, seeds, bulbs, vermicompost, manures, fertilizers and gardening equipments. One can roam around the nursery with a trolley available at the entrance and can choose the plant of your choice. The department staff can assist you in selecting the plants if required. After the selection of the plants is complete, an inventory list of these plants is prepared by the staff along with their codes and price. With this list, the payment need to be done at the designated counter by cash or card. If you find this video interesting, then share it with your friends and family. If you have still not subscribed to our channel, then do consider to subscribe and push the bell button to receive notifications on any new uploads. That is all in this video. Keep yourself and your family very safe. Until next video, it's bye from us. Thanks for your time.